Okay guys, we're going to open up a Great Ball today. Let's see if we get double coins again in this one. This would be interesting. We got double coins in the last one in our Quick Ball video. We have just one coin in this one, and it's an Eevee. Two Lost Origin, one Silver Tempest again. Let's go with Lost Origin first this time. Card code. We have Psychic Energy, Carbink, Panic Mask, Abomasnow, Rockruff, Seal, Hisuian Zoa, Snover, Machoke, Reverse Rare, Reverse Hollow Binacle, and an Aerodactyl V. Not bad. There's the card code. We're starting with Dark Energy, Lost Vacuum, Gastrodon, Lampet, Seedot, Horsey, Meditite, Shellos, Mindfu, Reverse Rare Haunter. Oh, that's nice looking. Perfect for Halloween. And we have a Buffalont in the rare spot, non-hollow. And on to our last pack. We have Silver Tempest here. We are going to flip that card code for you. Oh, we got a V-Star card in this one. Emergency Jelly, Serena, Sigilyph, Murkrow, Beldum, Baltoy, Sunkern, Fanfy, a Trainer Gallery Jinx. That's very pretty. And we have a Talonflame in the rare spot. Thank you guys. Good to see you. We'll hope to see you in the next one.